great to have you aboard and really looking forward to the competition. Having said that, it is extremely windy at the moment. Bulgaria, Zagravsky. Better. Now this will score well. This was really nice to see. The timing was excellent through the compression on the table, but the transition first class.
Pisimmän rykyn tähän paikkaan tekee sitten päälle vielä tyylikkään alaskulon. Ja kun pituutta on 100...
Some strong gusts of 4 meters and more. Could be interesting. Could be interesting. And it is. That's very, very well done by Donald. The style is solid. He didn't give anything away here. 132.5 meters. That's the second longest flight. A winner here in 2023. Real chance for some big meters here. And those are big meters. That was extremely well done, but this is the longest jump. He's outscored Ren Nikaido in terms of distance by a meter. But he's also done it with greater style. He's done it with about the same front wind deduction. But Lanasek, the World Cup leader, leads in Ruka. That's a super finish. 142 meters, and Slovenia have the advantage. And Vladimir Zagravsky of Bulgaria in 4th place, with the possibility and potential of a lifetime best.
And the wind is really unstable. It's getting worse and worse, and for that reason, based on the external conditions, the jury decided to cancel the final round, okay?
That is the decision, and it means that the start of the final round has been cancelled, and the result, just to confirm it, is that it's a victory for Andrzej Lanasek.